Conquering the future perfect continuous tense. Hello language explorers. Welcome back to our grammar journey. Today we're diving into a fascinating topic, expressing ongoing actions in the future. Specifically, we're going to unravel the mystery of the future perfect continuous tense. This tense might sound complex, but don't worry. By the end of this video, you'll have a clear understanding of its usage and functions. Let's dive in. First things first, let's break down what the future perfect continuous tense is. This tense is used to indicate an action that will continue up until a point in the future. It is formed with will have been, plus the verb's present participle, the ing form. For example, imagine it's Monday and you're planning a study session for a test on Thursday. You might say, by Thursday, I will have been studying for 3 days. Notice how the action, studying, is ongoing and continues up until a certain point in the future, Thursday. Remember, it's all about expressing ongoing actions in the future. Now that we understand what the future perfect continuous tense is, let's take a look at its usage. We primarily use this tense to 1. Show a future action that will be in progress before another takes place. 2. Example, at 5 o'clock, I will have been working for 8 hours. 3. Express cause and effect. 4. Example, you will have been standing in the sun for too long. That's why you'll feel tired. Remember, the future perfect continuous tense shows not just the duration but also the ongoing nature of an action leading up to a certain future time. As you continue practicing the future perfect continuous tense, here are a few tips to keep in mind. 1. While it's not a tense that's used all the time in everyday conversation, it is very handy in formal, academic, or business situations where precise timeframes are necessary. 2. Practice. Write out sentences, tell stories, make plans for the future using this tense. The more you use it, the more comfortable you'll become. 3. Patience is key. This tense can be a bit tricky at first, but don't be discouraged. Keep practicing and you'll get the hang of it. And that wraps up our exploration of the future perfect continuous tense. I hope you found this video helpful and now feel more confident about expressing ongoing actions in the future. Remember, mastering a language is a journey, not a sprint. So, take your time, keep practicing, and you'll conquer the future perfect continuous tense in no time. See you in the next video. Happy learning!